So keeping your files secure, your personal files secure, can be a real challenge. And here we're going to go over 2 technologies that will help you keep things secure, whether you're storing them locally or whether you're putting them out on the cloud. So let's go ahead and begin. And the first thing we want to do is use LastPass, and see the other videos that I have related to LastPass. But let's just go ahead and do this LastPass login. Note that I'm just gone down here. I've clicked on the LastPass icon and I've hit log on. I've already downloaded LastPass. Again, see the other videos. I'm going to hit log on, and I have my username, and then I'm going to put in my master password. Now, for me, I use a key called Yubico. Yubico. The Yubico key, you can see it right here, allows me to do 2-factor authentication, so that my master password, which I change every month, and then my second level of authentication uses my fingerprint to validate me as an individual, so that if somebody gets on my machine and is hacking my machine, they still can't get to my passwords because they have to physically be here. So that's helpful. Then what I want to do is open up this BestCrypt. This one you happen to pay for. So you can download BestCrypt. It's a great encryption program, and it creates a container for your files. But in today's example, I'm going to open one that I've downloaded off of my Sharepoint portal. And the Sharepoint portal is someplace that I'm sharing information with other users. But when I put it up on the Sharepoint portal, I want to make sure that it's secure. Not only secure with the encryption algorithm that Sharepoint uses with Microsoft, but I want to make absolutely sure that nobody else can get to it. So I'm going to put a BestCrypt encryption around it. So here you see the file itself, and I'm going to go ahead and go into my LastPass here, open up my vault. I'm going to find the username associated with this. So I'm going to click on this file. This file happens to have all of my LastPass information, and again, it's going to ask me for my master password, and I'm going to go ahead and put that master password in. And here it's going to open up my password file. I'm going to go down to the actual password that this file is using. I'm going to highlight that password, and then I'm going to copy that password. Okay, and then I hit cancel, and I close out LastPass. So now that BestCrypt is open, I can highlight the file and go here and select Mount Container. Notice here I can select the drive. The name of the file is here, and I'm just going to go ahead and type in that password and hit OK. Now you'll hear and recognize the sound, and then all of the files within that folder will show up here, and I can operate and do everything I want on this in this folder or container. Notice here it's mounted as a local drive. So if you look down here, you can see local disk. This is a drive letter. It is a container, and within it are all of these files. I can then edit these files, do whatever I like, delete things from it, just like it was an external hard drive. And when I get all done, I can close it, and then I can go back to my BestCrypt environment and say, dismount that file. Now, depending upon where that file is on my system, and I'm using Sharepoint, that file has been downloaded from Sharepoint to my local system, my local hard drive. Now I'm going to need to upload that exact file name back onto my Sharepoint server. Once that's done, everything's good to go. So all of those files will be updated for you.